Next topic is the negative exponent. If a is a rational number different from 0, then a power negative 1 denotes the reciprocal of a. A is equal to 1 by a. Here 1 by a is the a power negative 1. Next, law 5. If a is any rational number different from 0 and m is any positive integer, then a power negative m denotes the reciprocal of a power m. A power negative m is equal to 1 by a power m. If a by b is a rational number different from 0 and m is any positive integer, a by b whole power negative m is equal to 1 by a by b whole power m is equal to b power m by a power m is equal to b by a whole power m. Example, 2 by 3 whole power negative 2. Solution, the formula is a by b whole power negative m is equal to 1 by a by b whole power m. So, the value is 2 by 3 whole power negative 2 is equal to 1 by 2 by 3 whole power 2, 1 by 2 power 2 by 3 power 2 is equal to 3 power 2 by 2 power 2 is equal to 3 by 2 whole power 2. Law 6, the zero exponent. If a is a rational number and a not equal to 0, a power 0 is equal to 1. Example, 2 by 3 whole power 2 divided 2 by 3 whole power 2. Here a value is equal to 2 by 3, m value is equal to 2, n value is equal to 2. Using a power m minus n. So, 2 by 3 whole power 2 minus 2 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 0. Its value is 1. The next topic is laws of exponent applied to negative exponents. The rules of multiplication and division that apply to positive exponents also apply to negative exponents as well as to zero exponent. Law 1. A by b whole power negative m is equal to a power negative m by b power negative m. For zero exponent, m is equal to 0. A by b whole power 0 is equal to 1. For a power 0 by b power 0 is equal to 1. For negative exponent, a by b whole power negative 2 is equal to, the value is 1 by a by b positive 2 is equal to b power 2 by a power 2 is equal to a negative 2 by b negative 2. Law 2. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. For a zero exponent, n is equal to 0. A power 0 into a power 0 is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now, that is LHSI. Next, RHSI. A power m plus n is equal to a power 0 plus 0 is equal to a power 0 is equal to 1. The next one is for negative exponent. A power m into a power n is equal to a power negative 3 into a power negative 2. 1 by a power 3 into 1 by a power 2 is equal to 1 by a power 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 by a power 5 is equal to a power negative 5 is the answer. Next, law 3. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. For zero exponent, a power 0 divided a power 0 is equal to 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. A power m minus n is equal to a power 0 minus 0 is equal to a power 0 is equal to 1. For negative exponent, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power negative 3 divided by a power negative 2. Here the value is 1 by a power 3 divided 1 by a power 2 is equal to 1 by a power 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by a. Next, a power m minus n is equal to a power negative 3 minus of negative 2 is equal to a power negative 3 minus into minus plus 2 is equal to a power negative 1. This is also a power negative 1. Law for a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. For 0 exponent, m is equal to n is equal to 0. A power 0 whole power 0 is equal to a power 0 is 1, whole power 0 is 0. That is 1 power 0 is 1. Next, a power m into n is equal to a power 0 into 0 is equal to a power 0 is equal to 1. Next one, for negative exponent, a power m whole power n is equal to a power negative 2 whole power negative 4 is equal to a power negative 2, the value is 1 by a power 2 whole power negative 4. So, here the value is a power 2 whole power 4 is equal to a power 2 into 4 is equal to a power 8. Next, a power m into n is equal to a power negative 2 into a power negative 4 is equal to a power negative into negative positive 8. So, 4 2s are 8, negative into negative positive a power 8. So, the LHS is equal to RHS are equal. If a and b are rational numbers and m is any integer, a power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. Here the base are different, the powers are equal. For example, 1 by 2 whole power 3 into 3 by 2 whole power 3. Here a is 1 by 2, b is 3 by 2. The power value ms are equal. So, is equal to 1 power 3 by 2 power 3 into 3 power 3 by 2 power 3. Here the powers are equal. The next value is 1 into 3 whole power 3 divided by 2 into 2 whole power 3 is equal to 1 into 3 by 2 into 2 whole power 3 is the answer. Next, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 whole power 3. Next, exercise 16.3, third question, express as rational number. The first one is 3 by 8 whole power negative 3 into 3 by 16 whole power negative 3. Solution. First, using law 5, a power negative m is equal to 1 by a power m. That is 3 by 8 whole power negative 3 is equal to 1 by 3 by 8 whole power 3. The next value 3 by 16 whole power negative 3 is equal to 1 by 3 by 16 whole power positive 3. Now you can convert 8 by 3 whole power 3. Here 16 by 3 whole power 3. Now substitute the values for the question. 8 by 3 whole power 3 divided 16 by 3 whole power 3. Here the base are different, the powers are equal. But you know the formula for a power m into b power m is equal to a into b power m. Here the given value, the given operation is divided. So you can first convert the divide to multiplication. Now using the reciprocal form. 8 by 3 whole power 3 divided 16 by 3 whole power 3 is equal to 8 by 3 whole power 3 the divisor term will be reciprocal into 3 by 16 whole power 3. Now using the law, a power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. Here a value is 8 by 3 whole power 3 into b value 3 by 16 whole power 3 is equal to a into b, that is 8 by 3 into 3 by 16 whole power 3. Now 3 cancel 1 times, 8 1 times is 2 times. Now the value is 1 by 2 whole cube. That is 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. 1 by 8 is the answer. Homework sum, third question. The first one is 5 power negative 1. Second one 3 by 7 whole power negative 1 into 7 by 3 whole power negative 1.